In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zoom app on Windows 11. We're focusing on downloading it from the official website, which is the recommended method for ensuring you have a safe and up-to-date version of the app. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you prefer using on your Windows 11 device. Once you've got your browser open, the next step is to head over to the official Zoom download page. You can easily find this by typing Zoom Download into your search bar, or by visiting their website directly and navigating to the download section. When you arrive at the download page, you'll see an option specifically for downloading Zoom for Windows. It might be listed under Zoom Client for Meetings or Zoom Workplace. But don't worry, it's all designed for the same purpose, to get you set up for seamless Zoom meetings. Simply click on the download button that'll appear in that section. As the download begins, you'll notice a small file, typically named zoominstaller.exe, starts to make its way to your computer. Once the download is complete, you'll want to go ahead and open that file. Depending on your browser settings, you might find this file at the bottom of your web browser window, or you may need to navigate to your Downloads folder to locate it. When you click to open the file, your computer might prompt you with a pop-up asking for permission to proceed with the installation. If this happens, just click on Yes to approve the installation. This is a standard security measure in Windows to verify you're intentionally adding new software to your system. Now here's the easy part. You don't need to do much else. After granting permission, the Zoom installer will take care of the rest. Just sit back for a few moments. You won't need to click through multiple screens or make any technical decisions. The installation process is streamlined and should only take a few seconds to complete. Once it's finished, Zoom will automatically open on your screen. You'll be greeted with the familiar Zoom interface where you have two primary options. Sign in if you already have an account, or join a meeting if you're hopping straight into a session. And just like that, you're all set up and ready to begin using Zoom for your meetings, classes, or friendly catch-ups. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to installing Zoom on your Windows 11 device. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you successfully set up Zoom. Happy Zooming!